Hey YouTubers, it is JoeDotVideo with another tech tutorial on how to make your thing run with best performance. And I want to state out right now that if you're watching this for, say, security purposes or virus purposes, this is not what I am talking about. I'm talking about best performance to make your thing run the fastest even with a cleared system. 100%, and it basically has nothing to do with security or viruses. It's just talking about basic stuff to make your computer run at best performance. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with number one, taskbar. Taskbar, most people don't think it's a big thing just because it's all done by one process called export.exe on Windows. But it actually is a big deal just because of basic stuff, because it contains one arrow effects, it contains the arrow effects that let you see your desktop, that show desktop on the time, and what I'm talking about right now, all your processes. So first, look down at your taskbar and delete all the processes that you don't think is useful. Like right now, I am not recording with my webcam. I am not downloading anything. And I think that is it. And also a thing that helps is bringing up all your things that excuse me, bringing up all your things that you do not need to see all the time. Like right that's fine. Excuse me. I think I have a cold or something. But number two, extra processes. Most people don't even look in here because they think it's too tacky or something like that. But go into your keyboard and type in Control Alt, or is it? Ah, delete. Just click that on your keyboard, Control Delete, and it should load something like this. Hit Start Task Manager, or you can go down here and just do it like that. Start Task Manager. Now when this thing is up, it's going to have applications that are running. Then it's also going to have processes, services, performance, networking, and users. Go to the processes tab, and this is where you find all the processes that keep your computer running. The memory that it's taking off the RAM, the CPU is taking, and what user it's on. Usually when you're on different users, you would go into the users that you're not on and just take off processes from that. But I don't have extra things, so I'm just going to take off things that I do not need. I am not running Java. I am not running this. I am not running iTunes. And I also might see things like this. It's called IGFX SRVC module. These things only take out a little bit of memory, so you can just take them out. But not all things like that. Take out Windows Update. Just take out things like this. Just make sure you're still like looking at what you're doing, because like one deletion could actually shut down your whole entire computer or do even worse. So make sure what you're doing, but make sure there should be around 50 processes open with just your basic daily programs. So next, theme. Theme is a big thing. It's on Windows XP and Windows 7, but it's mostly on Windows 7 that I find is the most useful in changing. Go into your theme settings just by right-clicking on the desktop. New personalize. There's also properties if you're on XP. And go all the way to the basic and high contrast themes and make sure you're on Windows Classic. This will change it so there's no arrow effects at all. There is just basic things like this to load the program. There's, like I said, there's no arrow effects. The start menu is very basic and it's just plain simple. change its background to a solid color so it doesn't have to take much out of the video card. And it's pretty sure it's at 32-bit color. Now let's go back. And next is taskbar and start menu. We're going back to the taskbar about that stuff, and we're going to go into properties, right? Clicking on the taskbar. Right here on the taskbar, you're usually supposed to use small items. Combining and not combining doesn't really matter. It doesn't really change anything. Going to start menu. Now going to customize and make sure it has the least amount of stuff that you do not use. Like I do not use the game thing. I don't use help. Personal folder. Actually, personal folder I do. Run command I do need. And turn off use large icons. Now just hit, oh wait, yep, just hit apply, and you see in it gets a lot smaller. It also looks in this kind of weird way. And also, you can right click on properties, go to start menu, and actually I cannot figure out that next thing, but mainly it's based on start menu just looking like that. This is really quick. You see how quick it already changed. Going to the programs and loading a folder and everything, it runs very well. So then best performance. Best performance is probably the biggest thing that I've ever seen change my computer. Is all you do is go into computer. Don't click on it yet. Just oops, glitch. Just go to computer. Right click properties. Should load something like this. Go into advanced system properties, performance settings, and then do adjust for best performance. This takes off everything. It takes off smooth scroll boxes, fade in, fade out, fade sliding, animation, and taskbar and start menu. It turns off everything. Just hit OK. Hit OK. You might see a little bit of a difference, but you're not going to see it until you really go into it. But I'm just going to X this out. And let's see how fast I open, like, say Google. Yeah, look how fast that just opened. It opened extremely fast, going like that. It's open. So that's basically been it. Thanks for watching this JoeDotVideo tech tutorial on how to make your computer run faster. Thanks for watching. And also please comment below if you want to request something like a review, a tech review, something for me to do a tutorial on, like this one, so, a Minecraft tutorial, or any game, because any game I could really just download. If it's something like that costs money, I might have a little bit of a problem, but I can still find a way to kind of show it with like an emulator or something like that. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good day.